Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hey, this is an update. I've gotten quite a few questions about the 4T65. God, it's been probably 2 years since I did part one, year since I did part one. It's still at the old house. It was before the shop, which if you guys subscribe, you guys probably already seen the shop. Since that video, we've moved houses. I moved into the shop. We have kid number 2 that'll be here in September. And obviously you guys know the car market is insane trying to find vehicles. So I've been working a minimum of 12 hours a day, not here. I've been working up at my day job for the insurance. And then when I get off there, I come here for an hour or two. Just built the Transit Nat, waiting on a new Tecum, this piece, but for the rear-wheel drive 6 speeds. The valve body for that truck is there. I just kind of set the stuff on top. No big deal. I put one in. A brand new GM part is junk. Wouldn't communicate, let me program. So we got a new one of those coming. That'll be here Tuesday. So I got tomorrow. I'm gonna try to get this up tonight. I got tomorrow that I'm gonna hopefully do your guys' part 2. Get the most of it together. I might get the valve body together in tomorrow's video. I'm not sure. At least gonna get most of the rest of the actual transmission together, and then we'll deal with this portion later, or I might be able to get it all done at one. I don't know. It depends on how tomorrow goes up at my day job. If I can get out on normal time and get here and have enough time to do it and give you guys the information you need. So I have that transit finished Tuesday. Transmission, engine. Then I got another car over there. I'm waiting on the customer to approve a bunch of work. It needs a lot of help. Equinox, motor parts, there's cylinder head. There's more engine parts. Had a spun bearing in the block, so it's up at the machine shop. The Traverse, cylinder heads, there's more Equinox parts. I know it looks chaotic, it kind of is, but I know where everything's at. That's another transfer to the Grand Prix. I need to do a video on that. It's got real choppy idle. Sounds really good, but the trans, I need a stall converter, and I'm not liking the way the trans acts. I did build it, kind of. Anyways, that's another video. I got this here, 383 small block Chevy, old school. This one had less than 50 miles on it. Rebuilt at another place. Main bearings are torched, so I got to strip it down, try to figure out what's going on with it. Get it cleaned up, put together for the guy. But here's what you guys have been asking for. So tomorrow, I kind of have an odd day where I don't have anything at the shop. So I'm gonna come in and try to get you guys' part 2. It may only be 2 parts, maybe a 3rd part, I don't know. Again, we'll address that tomorrow. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Give it a thumbs up if you're happy to see part 2 coming out finally. And we will see you guys in the next one.